Hi, good evening. So in this video, I am going to introduce to you the vowels and the consonants. The vowels are the A, E, I, O, and U. So, while the other letters in the alphabets are consonants. Okay. So, as you can see or as you can observe, we cannot form or there are words that we cannot form without using the vowels, right? So, okay. In order for us to form a word, we really need to use the A, the E, the I, the O, and the U. Okay. Examples of vowels, examples of the words that are using vowels or that has vowels in it is the hat. Okay, the hat is the H and the T is consonant, while the H and the R consonant, while the A is vowel. Another example is the top. The T and the P are both consonants, while the O is vowel. But we can also form a word without using vowels. Like for example, the thy, rather. The T, the H, and the Y that we use to form the word are all consonants. Another example is him. The H, Y, M, and N are all consonants. So, you see, we can also form a word without using vowels. Hope you have learned something tonight. Good night.